Mastering Rhythm with Metronome Practice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of music and language learning: metronome practice. Understanding this concept not only enhances your musical skills but also sharpens your language abilities, especially when it comes to rhythm and timing. Let's get started and explore how this tool can be a game changer in your learning journey. A metronome is a device that produces a steady beat at various speeds, measured in beats per minute, BPM. Musicians often use it to practice keeping a consistent tempo. But it's not just for musicians. Language learners can use metronome practice to improve their pronunciation, fluency, and rhythm in speech. Rhythm in language is akin to rhythm in music. It's about the pattern of sounds, the timing between words, and how these elements contribute to effective communication. Just as a musician uses a metronome to keep the tempo, language learners can use it to master the rhythm of a new language, making their speech more natural and understandable. 1. Start slow. Begin with a slow BPM setting. Focus on pronouncing words clearly at this pace. 2. Increase speed gradually. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the BPM. This will help you keep pace with natural speech patterns. 3. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular metronome practice can significantly improve your timing and fluency. Improves fluency. By practicing with a metronome, you can achieve smoother, more fluent speech. Enhances pronunciation. It helps in breaking down words into syllables, making pronunciation clearer. Boosts listening skills. You'll become better at picking up the rhythm in others' speech, improving your understanding and interaction. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of metronome practice and its benefits not just for musicians but for language learners too. Integrating this tool into your practice routine can open up new dimensions in your learning path, making you a more fluent and confident speaker. Remember, rhythm is a universal language, and mastering it is a powerful skill. Happy practicing, and see you in our next video.